I'm Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with our upgraded tow mirror built for any 1997 through 1999 standard extended cab Ford F150 and F250. Our tow mirror is designed to be manual folding and manual extending. It also has the same 3-pin mounting locations, base plate, OE connector, and an adapter for the earlier models. This tow mirror also features a lower panoramic mirror and a larger upper adjusted power mirror with power heating, with both having a combined length of 12 inches by 8 inches and an overall length of 16 inches when closed. Once extended, it reaches up to 20 inches, maximizing your road safety and visibility. This tow mirror was designed as a low vibrating, high quality replacement for your stock mirror that updates the look and functionality of your vehicle.